Hi guys, today I just wanted to review this necklace that I just received. I'm right now currently going back to school and I really just wanted a cute necklace that I can wear every day to school that matches with like all my outfits. So this is the one I just received. I think it's so pretty, and I know right now chunky jewelry is trending and this is like chunkier, on the chunkier side, and I just love this so much. It's like basic and just gold, which I always wear gold, and it has a really cute design on it. I love this little thing. Here's how it looks like up close, and now I'm just going to show you how it looks when I put it on. I'm so excited because I always wanted a necklace like this where it's just gold with something at the end. So I'm going to quickly put it on. This is what it looks on, and I love it so much. I think definitely when I wear like my cute outfits for school, this is gonna go even better. Right now I'm just wearing like a nice basic shirt and it still matches so nicely, and it's not like really heavy. Like, it's honestly lightweight for how heavy I thought it'd be, which is super nice. But I think that this would go super nice with tight shirts, even shirts like this, anything you really want, definitely like dresses or shirts that are V-cut. So if you're looking for a necklace that literally matches with almost every single outfit, if not every single one, and it's super lightweight, it's not heavy, it's comfortable, and you can actually choose the different lengths. I have it on the shortest one right now. So again, if you're looking for a super nice necklace that you want to wear every day, then I would definitely recommend trying this one.